Whenever you use power tools, particularly one that creates a lot of dust, it's really important to always wear safety goggles and a dust mask. The problem is when you wear them in combination, this typically happens. Whenever you exhale, you fog up the goggles to a point where you can't quite see. And what a lot of people do is they just take them off, they don't wear them at all. And that's a mistake because you can get an injury in your eye. So here's the solution. And all you need is some shaving cream. Regular old shaving cream. Just put a little dollop on the inside and outside, and with your fingers, just rub it around. It looks like that's a lot of shaving cream, and it is, but you want a good coating on there. And then we're gonna wipe off the excess with a clean cloth. And to tell you the truth, I'm not even sure why this works, except there's something gets left behind on the lenses. Maybe it's the lanolin or the soap that keeps these fog-free. Now, it doesn't stay fog-free forever, but it certainly lasts through the end of the day. There you go. Put the glasses back on. Dust mask. Watch this. It's almost magical. Now when I exhale, they stay crystal clear so you can work safely.